In this video, I am going to teach you how to trade Forex using the MT5 platform inside Pocket Option. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, MT5 offers powerful tools and real-time execution. Let's get started. First, go to the trading section on the left-hand side of your Pocket Option dashboard. This is where you can access different account types and markets. Then, in the options shown, select Forex MT5 Real Account to begin trading live Forex pairs. Make sure your account is verified and funded to access this feature. Next, you'll be able to choose the currency pair or crypto asset you want to trade. Take a moment to analyze the market or use any indicators you prefer. After selecting the pair, go to the orders section and enter the amount you want to invest in your trade. You can also set your stop loss or take profit levels here. And finally, if you're ready and confident, click the Buy button to execute the trade. Your position will now appear in the Active Orders section. And that's how you trade Forex on MT5 in Pocket Option. If you learned something new, give this video a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more trading tutorials. See you next time!